Considering a career in the ever-growing trucking industry? At Shelley Truck Driving School, you can gain the confidence, experience, and skills you need to earn your CDL and get your first trucking job.
We're taking people who've never sat in a truck before to getting them to the point that they can drive these vehicles, and we're prepping them for the day-to-day stuff that they're going to see when they get out there in the real world.
Before you climb up into a cab, students first spend dedicated time in our state-of-the-art trucking simulator. This training tool helps you learn the basics of shifting, driving, and navigating all types of settings and conditions.
This simulator is amazing. I can make it do some amazing things. I can change the roads. I can put us in the winter. I can put us up in mountains. I put us down into the city for tight turns. I can make it rain, snow, sleet, put wind. It'll even have deer jump out in front of you. So you really have to, learn a lot of these skills, but you're able to do that in a controlled environment.
With your new skills gained from the simulator, we'll get you into one of our trucks for real-world experience. Our patient and knowledgeable instructors will guide you through every aspect of driving a truck, in the city, on the highway, and on backcountry roads.
The students that come through here receive such a high level of training that it builds their confidence so that they're ready to actually go out into the real world and start that new job. On very frequent occasion, I have students who have 4 and 5 different interviews set up for immediately after they get their CDL.
At the end of the training, you'll be prepared to pass the CDL exam and start your first job in the trucking industry. Ready to jumpstart your truck driving career? Contact Shelley Truck Driving School and start your journey today.